What's going on, everybody? Joe here with JM Productions and JM Photography and Media. And today, we're going to take a look at a quick tutorial on how to feature other YouTube channels on your YouTube channel. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright everybody, so here we are on YouTube's homepage, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and go to my YouTube channel. So in the top right corner, I'm just going to go ahead and click my icon, and I'm going to click where it says Your Channel. So now that we've landed on my YouTube channel, what you're going to notice is on the right hand side, it says Featured Channels. Right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and right click the featured channel and open it in a new tab so you can see that this is where it takes me when I click that featured channel. So this is the Carlson Gracie Sacramento YouTube channel. Go ahead and check them out. But that's the featured channel that I have here on my page. Alright. So the way that we can adjust this is very simple. So what we're going to do, we're going to click Customize Channel. And this again takes us to where we can edit all of the things that we show on our YouTube channel. So if you look at where it says Featured Channels, there's an edit icon right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click that, and you can see it either says Edit Module or Remove Module. So for this tutorial's purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and click Remove Module, and now you'll notice that it says Featured Channels with a little button that says Add Channels. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click Add Channels, and then you'll see that there's a section title that says Featured Channels, and then there's a box that says Enter Channel Username or URL, and then you'll also see where it says Added Channels. Now because I already had the Carlson Gracie Sacramento channel featured on my page, it's still going to pop up there. But what I'm going to do is, I'm going to head and go back to the actual YouTube channel, and I'm going to copy the URL for this page. So if I click copy, go back to the URL box, I'll just go ahead and add that into the box, and then I click done. And now what you'll notice is that it shows up as a featured channel on my page. So I'll go ahead and close the tab that had that channel. And now what I'm going to do is go to the left hand side where it says My Channel, and I'm going to go ahead and test it to make sure that it loaded. So you see it does show as featured channels. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and click that channel, and you'll see it goes directly to the Carlson Gracie Sacramento page. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go right back to my channel, and there it is. Right? So again, that just shows us how we can feature different channels from our page, and that's a good way for channels to help each other market, and a way for them to link together so you navigate between each other's pages and help strategically align with other YouTube channels. Alright everybody, so that concludes our quick tutorial on how to feature other YouTube channels on your YouTube channel. If you got good value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. It'll really help us out. And also, if you have any questions whatsoever, please stop by that comment section and let us know what you think. As always, thank you so much for stopping by our channel. I'm Joe with JM Productions and JM Photography and Media. We'll see you next time.